Hello.
Hi,
How are you today?
I am fine, thank you. How are you today?
I am good, thank you. What is your name?
My name is Mary. What is your name?
My name is Tom. How old are you?
I am 70 years old. How old are you?
I am 72 years old.
Nice to meet you, Tom.
Nice to meet you, Mary. Where do you live?
I live in Chicago. Where do you live?
I live in New York.
Is New York big?
Yes, New York is big. Is Chicago big?
Yes, Chicago is big too.
Do you have children?
Yes, I have two children. Do you have children?
Yes, I have 3 children.
Do you have grandchildren?
Yes, I have 4 grandchildren. Do you?
Yes, I have two grandchildren.
What do you like to eat?
I like soup. What do you like to eat?
I like chicken.
Do you like coffee?
Yes, I like coffee. Do you like tea?
Yes, I like tea.
Do you walk in the park?
Yes, I walk every morning. Do you walk too?
Yes, I walk in the evening.
That is good.
Yes, walking is good.
What time is it now?
It is 3 o'clock.
Oh, I must go home.
It was nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Goodbye, Mary.
Goodbye, Tom.